Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying what you actually control, your camera files, music stems you bought, or clips in the public domain. Once done, pick the proper license, CC0 or paid royalty-free work, or obtain a written release from creators. Make sure to save proof, invoices, license ID, signed releases, and timestamps in a single folder so you can show it quickly. This step prevents claims later and lets you proceed to editing with confidence. Now move to trimming and attribution. You must transform content so it adds new meaning, crop, change speed, remix, or add a voiceover critique. This supports fair use arguments, though not guaranteed. Once edited, ensure you keep clips short but meaningful. Shorter length alone won't avoid claims. Make sure to add visible on-screen attribution and paste full license details and permission notes into the description. This creates transparency and helps YouTube's review team understand your intent. Next, finalize metadata and upload carefully. You fill your title and description with precise details, list license type, link to license ID and credit creators, include timestamps for adapted sections. If a claim appears, you can dispute it by submitting your saved proof, but only use a counter notice if you're certain you own or have permission. Make sure to keep backup masters. If needed, replace disputed audio, mute the track, or swap the clip and reupload. This resolves most problems fast. If not, consult a rights expert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.